Hi, my name is Steve from the Hidden Door Store, and today I want to show you about our panel secret door kit. This is a new product on our website, and it's very, very versatile, so we're excited to tell you about it. So what you can see here from our display is that we've chosen an acoustic paneling to put on it, but really you could put any paneling you want on it. And you can see down here, this is what it looks like when you get it. It's called a kit because you're providing the paneling, and you could choose a wainscot paneling or a board and batten or a slat wall, beadboard, shiplap, you name it. You put whatever kind of paneling you like. Our job is to provide this door with its own frame, so it plugs into your opening, and it includes a clever lock and a way to unlock it, and a special device that allows it to pop open. And we figured out some of the geometry for you so that you'll have great success and you'll be able to have a secret door that looks amazing. So this one opens using a handheld magnet, and we've put a little sticker here so that you can see where you have to hover the magnet. There are different access control methods that you can select. You can have a tilt fob, which is a little device that you tilt, or a remote control. There's a couple others. Go to the website and check those out. But this one, you just hover the magnet here, and you saw it pop open. And so that allows you to grab it and get it open, and you can see it's a door. It's got these very cool hinges on it, and it's got a handle on the inside, so you can open it from the outside. You can pull it closed from the inside, and there's a button right here that I can push that will allow me to unlock it from the inside so that I can also exit. These come with an electromagnetic lock. That's this above my head. It's a 600-pound lock, and it requires power to stay locked, so you can always get out just by cutting power to it. But what that also means is if you want it to stay locked in the event of a power failure, then you have to plug it into a battery backup unit so that it doesn't experience a power failure when your building does. So hopefully seeing this is going to help you to understand how it's going to fit with your space and to feel confident that it's going to work and you'll want to buy it from us. But if you have any questions, please give us a call. My name is Steve, and we would love to help you answer all your questions and get you one of these very cool hidden doors.